If Allah has already written our fate, why should one continue to work hard for their ambitions in this world? If Hazur can kindly elaborate on this. Jazakallah.
Allah knows your fate, but you don't know. Do you know?
No.
Allah has also said that if you do good deeds, you will be rewarded for that. Right?
Yeah.
Allah has also said that if you do something wrong, which is punishable, you will be punished for that.
Ji.
Right?
Ji.
Allah Ta'ala did not say that you can never reform yourself and He will never forgive you. So Allah Ta'ala is all merciful. He knows, but His attribute is all merciful. Right? And He's forgiving. So Allah Ta'ala can forgive your sins, but our duty is to abide by the commandments of Allah Ta'ala and try to do as much as we can according to the commandments of Allah Ta'ala. If we are doing in such a way, Allah Ta'ala is all forgiving, all merciful. He can forgive us. And He can change our fate at the end of the time. Okay? Allah Ta'ala knows that if you keep on doing it, He will send you to the hell. Allah Ta'ala knows that if you stop doing something and seek His forgiveness, then Allah Ta'ala forgive you as well. Okay?
Jazakallah.